Also, if there's a manufacturer that manufactures a product, there's an IRS regulation that they call it an R&D, for research and development. And what the government calls research and development is not what you and I might think. Okay. So it's not like guys in white lab coats. I mean, sure. If you have someone whose job is to cut this material more efficiently or to reduce waste, that person's payroll, the amount of time they spend doing that, can be identified as a tax deduction. Wow. So this very specialized things, and we have our engineers come in and they know the IRS regulations and they know what we have to do to document that. Sure. And then we can have that all documented, give it your CPA, and then you file that in your taxes, and then you save money.
There are a lot of things that are misunderstood about the R&D tax credit, and what I'm about to tell you should make every manufacturer want to jump at the chance to utilize the R&D tax credit. Firstly, first-time R&D users get to go back 3 previous tax years looking for credits. And for any prior year R&D credits found, you will get a check from the IRS. Yes, that's right, you'll get an actual check from the government. This is required an overpayment of the previous year's taxes, so the IRS has to refund that money to your company. And if that isn't satisfying enough, the IRS will owe you interest on the money you overpaid. Isn't that great? When is the last time the government owed you interest? This interest payment will come in the form of a separate check. Oh, and one other thing, the R&D tax credit can be carried forward up to 20 years. So if you're not in a position to use the credit in the current tax year, you can carry it forward to reduce future income. This all sounds pretty great, right? Well, just wait, it gets even better. The savings can be significant. On average, our studies find $20,000 to $40,000 of savings per every $1 million in total company payroll. And this credit is recurring. For as long as the company continues to produce products, this credit can be taken. However, it will require a new study to be performed each year. I'm not just talking about machine shop type companies. The R&D tax credit is equally targeted to companies who are more technical in nature. That means companies like makers of medical devices or instruments, oil field tools, biomedical companies, even wineries, breweries, and distilleries can qualify. Now that I've got your attention concerning the significance of the R&D tax credit, let me explain some of the details. This does come from Section 41 of the IRS Code, and it does allow you to reclaim a portion of your annual payroll tied to research and development activities. But before you think, well, we don't do research and development activities, the answer is yes, you do. These are activities your employees are already doing, as you can see from the next slide. As I mentioned before, the R&D tax credit can be used by all manufacturers regardless of the type of product produced or any technical company that deals in designing new processes or products. Remember, the IRS's definition of R&D is quite confusing. Just to give you an example, this is only a small fraction of all the activities the IRS defines as R&D. So as you can see, this covers practically everything that a manufacturer's employees might be doing on any given day. So I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of the R&D tax credit and how it can save your business tens of thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel so you can learn the other ways I can find money in your business. And please share this video with any other manufacturer who may not know about the R&D tax credit. If you'd like to contact me to learn more, you can email me at tom@tombrodie.biz, or you can visit my website at thefoundmoneyguy.com. From there, you can set up an appointment so we can start finding money in your business today.